Oh, hi. Hello, my hungry and gastro-curious listeners. The Delicious Legacy podcast has a brand new episode out, and it's all about German medieval cuisine. I've got an interview with an expert food historian, Volker Bach. I had the privilege to have him join the podcast and talk about his expertise throughout the history of German cuisine. So what was the first recipes we had in German language, and what was the role of influences from Arab cuisine to the medieval German cuisine, fish and meat in jelly, and deer head cooked in milk and eggs, foams, masses, and all that different stuff that German medieval people ate, from the nobility and the rich to the peasants and anything beyond. So yeah, do join me on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Acast, Pocket Cast, and wherever else you get your podcast from to find out all about medieval German cuisine with Volker Bach and me, Tom Dinas. Right, yep, I think it's time to have some smoked pork like a proper German peasant.